how to remove PDT flag Robinhood. In this video, I'll explain how to remove the PDT flag from your Robinhood account and what you need to know about the pattern day trader rule. Let's get right into it. There are 3 ways to get the PDT flag removed from your account. First, add funds to reach 25,000. Option 1 is to bring your account balance to 25,000 or more. Once you hit that threshold, the PDT restriction will automatically go away. Now the second option is wait it out. If you don't add funds, you'll need to wait 90 days for the PDT flag to reset. During this time, you won't be able to make more than 3-day traders in rolling 5-day period. And the third option is contact Robinhood support. Click on this person icon on the bottom right corner, and here on the top left corner you'll see this 3 line. Click on it. Here click on Robinhood support and you can contact them through this option and ask for a one-time PDT reset. They may remove the flag as a courtesy. So this is how you can remove PDT flag on Robinhood. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.